In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB Physics repeated questions under dispersion of light and colors. This is a subtopic in refraction of light. So we're going to practice with 20 repeated questions for this subtopic. Let's get started. The first question I have here says the angle of deviation of light of various colors passing through a triangular prism increases in the order. We have option A, green, violet, blue. No. We have blue, green, red. No. We have blue, red, green. No. We have red, green, blue. Correct. So option D is the right option here. Let me show you why it's option D. For this acronym, watch beef in dispersion of light. So this is red, this is orange, this is yellow, this is green, this is blue, this is indigo, this is violet. So from the arrangement order, red came first. After red, we have green and then blue. So option D is correct. Alright, so let's wipe this and go to the next repeated question. Alright, so the next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following has the highest wavelength? We have yellow, orange, violet, red. So the correct option is option D, which is red. Alright, the next repeated question will be this one. It says, the colors seen in soap bubbles are due to, we have diffraction, dispersion, refraction, interference. Correct option is option D, which is by interference. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following pairs of light rays shows the widest separation in the spectrum of white light? We have orange and red, indigo and violet, blue and red, blue and yellow. So the correct option here is option C, which is blue and red. So the next question will be this one. It says, when a beam of white light passes through a prism, the different colors of light are separated due to the difference in the amplitudes, frequencies, refractive indices, wavelengths. The correct option is option D, which is wavelengths. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says, when white light is dispersed by a spectrometer, the component having the lowest frequency is orange, green, red, violet. The correct option is option C, red. Red is the first color there and is also the one that has the lowest frequency. Alright, let's repeat the question will be this one. We have a rainbow is formed when sunlight is incident on water droplets suspended in the air due to, so the correct option here is option A, dispersion. It's not diffraction, it's not interference, it's not refraction, so it's dispersion. The next question will be this one. Option A is the correct answer for this question. So the next question is this one. It says, in the diagram above, a beam of white light travels from a red to a dense medium. What colors of light do the rays A, B, and C respectively represent? We have red, green, and blue. No. We have blue, yellow, and red. No. We have green, red, and blue. No. We have yellow, blue, and red. No. So option A is correct, guys. Basically, it's option A, red, green, and blue. From Roger Brief, where it came first before you see green and blue. Alright, Roger Brief. So the correct option is option A. Alright, so let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says, a rainbow is viewed through a blue sheet of glass. The rainbow will appear white, blue, yellow, black. So the correct option is blue. Since they use blue sheets of glass, it will appear blue. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says, the angular dispersion in the prism depends on, we have the thickness of the prism only, the index of refraction only, the angle of incidence as well as the index of refraction. We have the angle of incidence only. So the correct option to this question is option B, which is the index of refraction only. Next question will be this one. So that before we attempt this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. Really appreciate this. So this question reads, dispersion of white light is the ability of white light to move in a straight line, move at one corner, separate to its component colors, penetrate air, water, and glass. The correct option is option C, which is separate to its component colors. Okay, next repeated question will be this one. It says, a rainbow is formed when sunlight is incident on water droplets suspended in the air due to, I think we have answered this question before. The correct option is option C here, which is dispersion. Okay, next question will be this one. It says, the concept of dispersion of white light into different colors can be explained using wave polarization, reflection, diffraction, refraction. So the correct option is option D, which is refraction. Next question is this one. It says rainbow formation is as a result of the combination of which of the following phenomena, where reflection, dispersion, total internal reflection, refraction. So correct option will be the list that include dispersion, total internal reflection, and refraction. Please option B. Yeah, I, and IV only. Alright, reflection is not among. So the next question will be this one. It says, which of the following pairs of colors gives the widest separation in the spectrum of white light? We have red and violet, we have yellow and violet, green and yellow, we have red and indigo. So guys, the correct option to this question is option A, which is red and violet. Alright, so the next video question will be this one. It says the angle of deviation of light of various colors passing through a triangular prism increases in this order. And since we have answered this question before, the correct option here will be from large beef. So it will be option C, red, green, and blue. Alright, the next question will be this one. It says, which of the figures below illustrates the dispersion of white light through a triangular glass prism? Now guys, take notes of this particular question. I have often seen it repeated. So for this particular question, the correct option here will be option D. This figure we are seeing here, basically option D. That's the correct one. The next question with this one. It says dispersion occurs when white light passes through a glass prism because of the real defects in the glass, different hidden colors in the glass, high density of the glass, different speeds of the colors in the glass. So the correct option to this question will be option D, which is different speeds of the colors in the glass. Next question will be this one. It says red light travels faster than blue light when both of them pass through a glass prism because the blue light is more intense than the red light, where refractive index of red light is greater than that of blue light. Refractive index of blue light is greater than that of red light. Red light is more intense than the blue light. So the question is again, red light travels faster than blue light when both of them pass through a glass prism because. So from what the question is saying, the correct option to this question will be, let's see, it will be option C. Refractive index of blue light is greater than that of red light. So that will be the option, the right one to this question. The last repeated question will be this one. It says a rainbow is viewed through a blue sheet glass. The rainbow will appear, since it's blue sheet, will appear blue, option D. Alright, so these are repeated questions under dispersion of light and colors for your JAMB Physics. We practice with 20 repeated questions in this video. Hope you learned something interesting. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to our channel once more, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video to make a feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you are part of our channel membership by hitting on the join button to become part of it, where you will be receiving special information that will simplify your academic work. Alright, so join us now if you like it. I know that click on the screen above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.